Semi-automatic only, no second stories, no wood line. This game's gonna be very, 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 very short. And it's gonna be free for all. In 3,
oh God.
2.
I probably got hit. I'm just gonna call that. Oh my God, I've done that in ages. Greetings and welcome back to Ballahack Airsoft Field in Chesapeake, Virginia. Slightly different video than last time. This will just be a few quick warm-up games with the H&K MP7 gas blowback submachine gun. This is a very fun gun to use, and we got some pretty good gameplay in with it. Hope you enjoy, and I'll see you again next time.
From Ballahack Airsoft. So most of you know how to play it, but sit tight, we're going to explain it again. Guys, there's 2 barrels on the field. One's over there, one's going to be over here next to the Connex box. It's your objective on whatever team you are on to kill or knock down the furthest barrel. So if you start behind the MiG, you're knocking down this barrel. If you start over here, you're knocking down that barrel. This game is a semi-automatic only game. There's no second stories, and each team will have 6 medics. All right? Anybody have any questions?
Nope.
Cool. All right. So from you all here, you're gonna go that way behind the dead tree with Scuba, and if you're on this side, you're gonna go down here with John.
Oh damn, all right, got him.
Hey, let's get in here.
All right, I got you. Is it clear? I think we got friendlies in here. All right, good. I'm going around right. Oh, we're doing good. Already. I use most rounds. Going on the Jersey Barrier. Somebody. Tower doorway. Left side. And middle. Middle doorway too.
Hey, look for the tower wall. Hey, we got guns friendlies overhead. On the other side of the extra.
Just keep watching tower.
Get it. Yeah.
Yes.
Hell yeah.
Let's go now. Let's go. Right there. Come on. Move it.
Got him. Far side Connex is dead. Shifting right. Hit.
Let's see how I feel.
I want to get you. I'm a medic.
I can reach this far. You don't have
Can you
to.
pull him over there? Hey, dude. Can you
Just
pull
touch me real quick so I can walk to him. Just got back around.
Ready?
Yeah.
So we're going.
You good?
Where are they at?
It's gonna be around the left-hand curve over here.
Are there any at that red building right here?
We have friendly on this side. I'm not sure about our other side, far side.
Left side red building dead.
Gun hit! Someone pull me back for a minute!
There's one in the wood pile.
Find the wood pile?
Yeah, he's trying to shoot through it, but I don't think he can do it.
Covering move. Go.
Gotcha. You good? Yep. All right. Got him. Far left guy, got him.
Hey, precinct clear!
We got a friendly up there, so I think so. We got precinct, we got courtyard. We're clearing that right now. You're clear left. Where's the barrel? Oh, there it is. That was great.
So what we're going to do next is an east-west chaos game, which means one team's going to start over by that Kino pod, and the other team's going to start behind the Conic boxes, right? What this game means is that it's going to be two separate teams. However, once you shoot someone on the other team, you can go up to them and heal them for 60 seconds, and then they're on your team. So then what happens is like one team eats the other team. Pretty simple, right? I don't know who I'm hungry.
Yeah, like I already don't know the team.
all right? I'll push up.
Am I good to move? Just start shooting. What's up? Hey, man. 8, 9, 50. All right.
Well, considering all our friends are walking that route, and I hear them over this way.
Yeah. Yeah.
The corner of the Connex.
I'm gonna move a little bit. Yep.
2, 1.
Where'd he go? Why is it the shoot?
Jersey barrier, straight ahead.
This ain't shooting.
Hey,
Hold on.
Jersey barrier, straight ahead.
I didn't pop the button. There we go. I'm good. Connex window.
3, 2, 1, go. Got it.
All right.
Corner of the Connex, directly to the right.
Yep. His arm's showing. Can you shoot him? Guy on the Jersey barrier right here. His arm's showing. I hit him. Connex corner right side. I don't know if I shot him. There we go. All right, cool.
He's dead at the barrier.
Right, I got one more mag. It's that guy right here on the other side of this. He's underneath the car, shooting from behind the wheel.
All right, so this is gonna be
There's another guy in the Connex corner.
and quick. All right.
You probably won't make it. He just tried that.
Yeah.
He made it 3 feet.
It didn't work.
What are we looking at?
I'm behind you.
Right side, that Connex, on the left side of the Connex. And there's a guy underneath the Jeep shooting from behind the tire. He's to the left. There's another guy on the far side of this Connex that's adjacent to this one.
Let's go around. We're not gonna. I'm not reaching.
Yeah, we'll just hold this corner.
I'm going.
All right, again. I can watch your right, but as soon as you move, I can't watch right in front of you. You're good, you're good, you're good, you're good, you're good, you're good, you're good. Keep going. Still good, still good, still good. Just shooting. I think I'm out. Yeah, I'm out. Right on there. Cool. I'd heal you, but the game's probably about to end. There we go. Perfect.
Why did I get shot in the leg?
Good shit, bro.